to come back home, to come back to my college. Yes. Alia was asking me, you were in Mithi Bai? It's beautiful the way you guys have always welcomed me whenever I've come back here. So really thank you for all the love. Thank you. Does anybody want to speak to Alia Bhatt? Alright, here we go.
Hi. You know, whatever I've heard about Mithi Bai students is like, okay, you know, when you go there, the energy is like crazy. You know? They're like so excited. They're like so shandar. And I have to say that Mithi Bai is the best. I have witnessed through all my COVID. This is my influence. But what do you guys think of the song? Do you like seeing Shahid Kapoor dance? Don't we all like seeing Shahid Kapoor dance?
So is there like an MC or something who's going to run things, or should we just run things?
No.
How does it work here?
With idea.
Oh, you're here. Poor guy.
Okay, so today needs no introduction. We have the uber hot and the uber sexy Alia and Shahid.
So, who agrees to this that the temperature in the hall has gone up? Okay. Don't take all your clothes off, please. Don't do that. That's not allowed.
What's your name?
I'm Krishna.
You're Krishna? Krishna, you're asking not them to not take their clothes off. You're very
Because the
different kind of
But
thoughts.
Krishna is getting hot in here. So what does it happen when it gets hot in here?
No, there is
No.
no.
So it's a
No solution.
such a well-behaved MC. Who told you to get such a well-behaved MC? Now we can't have fun. What do I want? I don't want you to take your clothes off.
Okay, so we'll be having a question and a round now with Shahid and Alia. So, yes, frame your question in your mind and...
Guys, this is like the dream of every fan to have like a one-on-one question of the round with their idol. So we give you this chance and ask some really shandar questions to get some really shandar answers. Do we have a first question here?
Okay, but this is feeling like very like host. हम लोग यहाँ पे interview करने आए. It's a damn chilled out thing. You know, we really wanted to release our title track with you guys. We really pushed for it. Because this film is for you. Shandar is for you. We want you to have fun. I want you to be dancing with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your chacha, chachi, mama, mami, kaka, kaki, grandfather, grandmother. Just take this song, play it again and again and dance. Eventually, we will call a few beautiful young ladies and beautiful young boys to dance with us today. We have the master trainer Shahid Kapoor who has taught me how to dance. And I'm sure that you'll be very excited. Okay, so let's sorry, I just took over. We can start the question.
Alia, there are people to ask.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, yeah, so the girl in black.
The girl in black, there are so many girls in black. That girl in black.
Girl in black.
She's your friend. You made her sit there and told her, don't worry, I'll give you the first question. How do you know that girl in black? You guys know each other? Besties? No? Strangers? Strangers in the night?
You were here in 2007 when Kshitij was revived.
When I was in... Come
You
again?
were here in 2007 when Kshitij was revived.
Yes.
And you're here again in our 9th year. How does it feel being back to Kshitij?
Old. No, it feels awesome. Like I said, it's amazing always to come back to college and to come back to Mithi Bai, which is home, and every time. No, seriously, I have some of the most fun memories of my life in this college, not in the classroom, in other places. But yeah, that's so much fun in this college, and it's so awesome to see all you guys here and to see the stadium full of so much love. So lots and lots and lots of love. Big love to all of you.
Thank you.
But such a small question. Nothing more you want to know from us, buddy. So well behaved. This is not how students were when I was around.
Would you like to share some experience from your college life?
X-rated stuff, bro. That's the word.
Any more questions? Yeah, you.
This is the sponsors box.
That boy in black t-shirt.
Confidently they have shouted, हमने पैसे दिए हैं.
First of all, Alia, I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
इतना फास्ट तो मैंने भी नहीं बोला था यार.
Which was the shooting location of the film and which was your favorite, like the shoot?
पहले I love you बोल दिया उसका ऐसा फुफड़ो सा question.
Basically, you didn't want to ask a question, ना?
ये तो तू पेपर में पढ़ सकता था, कोई जर्नलिस्ट पूछेगा, कुछ अच्छा सवाल पूछ.
Come on, Ian, be a little creative.
अरे I love you सवाल नहीं होता बेटा, आगे कुछ बोलो.
Be a little creative, come on. Okay, we put you in a
Ask her which is your favorite place you want to go out for dinner in Bombay. ऐसा अच्छा पूछ यार, come on.
Which is your favorite place to go on?
अरे don't say the same thing.
Yeah. You're too cute. Okay, something. But come on, go for it again.
Alia, you ask him a question. Come on.
Oh.
Let's reverse this. Why not? Why should girls be left behind? Come on. आज तेरा lucky day है बेटा.
Okay, I have to ask him a question now.
Ask him something cute.
Okay,
You're good with that.
ask him something cute. Huh? He's asking me to ask me which standard you're
Oh
in.
no, we don't want to know about this standard. Ask him something nice. Come on. Cute looking boy, Alia Bhatt, great moment. Make it count, make it shandar.
Okay. Would you want to dance with me?
It was only a question. Doesn't mean you actually get to dance. Your answer is correct, sit down.
I love you, you're so cute. We dance together. We dance away. Okay, next. All black t-shirt people are getting questions.
After this, no more black t-shirts allowed. Other color t-shirts. Some partiality is happening, some setting has happened कि सब हम black t-shirt में आएंगे हमसे पूछना.
How was the experience working with each other for Shandar?
Okay. Can I tell you how my experience was? Can I actually tell you how our experience was? My experience was this. Now she'll tell you her experience.
Shahid, you know what I think we should do now? Babe, I think we should do this that way. But what do you think, babe? Because I feel that day Vikas said, but you know what I also feel? That day you said something very nice. Say it again. You know
Yes.
It wasn't like that bad also, but
Alia?
something to this effect.
Yes,
Yeah.
something to this effect. Alia Bhatt is all of 21 years old, I think.
22!
All of 22 years old. With the experience of a 65-year-old, there's nothing that she doesn't know.
No, it's not true.
She has a shandar point of view towards life, and therefore she knows the answers to everything. So you can ask her anything, she knows.
No, Shahid.
Yeah, she took the whole I don't know thing very seriously. Now she knows everything about everything. She covered it up in 1 year.
And you can make it a motivational speech, or you can ask about like tips for your boyfriend, for your girlfriend, anything.
Tips and all, no, yeah. Like, just talk to us. Like, what would, even if you want to ask me, Alia, like, what did you eat in the morning? Or, okay, fine, what do you hate about,
As you can see, she already has the questions which she's ready to answer also. So be quick, otherwise she'll ask herself questions, answer them herself and leave. So hurry up. It's like सुसु आई है और तुम दरवाजा खोल दो आना है नहीं आजा नहीं रहेंगे उसका एक्सप्रेशन देखो. हाँ क्या तेरी 3 साल रिलेशनशिप हो गई है और तू कमिटेड है, फर्क क्या पड़ता है, शादी तो हो गई तेरी 3 साल से एक ही लड़के के साथ है. सेम थिंग ब्रो, जस्ट राइट नेम, मैरिड अनमैरिड कंफ्यूज्ड, फेसबुक पेज, यू शुड राइट कौन. 3 साल के बाद तू छोड़ेगा तो 1 साल तुझे ग्रीफ लेना पड़ेगा.
I really want to know if his girlfriend's in the same room.
Is your girlfriend here?
Okay.
Where is she? Where is she? ऐसे रिलीफ से बोल रहा है. She's at home. It feels great, bro. It's a great feeling. Go for it. Just do it.
come to that.
You want to learn? We'll come to that. We
We'll
promise
come
we'll come to that.
to that.
तो चप्पल में आए तो क्या स्टेप सिखाऊंगा? स्टेप की रिस्पेक्ट तो करता नहीं। डांस सीखना कुछ कपड़े पहन कर आओ, अच्छे जूते पहन कर आओ। You are wearing your Alia Bhatt. You can dance in anything, correct? By popular demand. Who will argue with you? Tell us about this dress that you are wearing. Don't you want to know why she's wearing this dress? I am very curious to know why she's wearing a dress which has so many things like this. Alia, what is the secret behind this dress?
Okay guys, it's quite cool and very interesting. So basically, I had a contest on Twitter where I asked everybody to just send me some poems or some drawings with the theme being Shandar Alia. And I said I'll display it in a way that you won't be disappointed.
Why are you telling them something they all on Twitter, they all know?
So, if anybody knows what the doodle dress is, this is my Shandar doodle dress. So I actually have people's personal drawings and poems on it. If you want to read something out, Shahid?
Yes, I'll be happy to read.
ये हवा है.
इससे नीचे मैं नहीं पढ़ सकता है, हमारे लिए safe है। ये हवा की spelling HWA. I don't think this person is from मिठी भाई। ये हवा की सरसराहट कुछ कहने की कोशिश कर रही है। ना जाने कौन इस कमबख्त दिल को याद कर रही है। जी तो चाहता है कि इस सरसराहट से उसे पहचान लूं। अरे तुम लोग इरशाद वाह कुछ तो बोलो यार। जी तो चाहता है कि इस सरसराहट से उसे पहचान लूं, पर क्या करूं कमबख्त किस किस का नाम लूं। आलिया के ड्रेस पे ऐसा लिखा हुआ है इतना मतलब।
This is also nice. Read this.
This is also nice. It's written in good handwriting.
I want to
She has even read all these things before coming out here. If you can observe.
read it fast.
Acha, this looks very odd. I think you should stand front. Thank you. Shandar Alia. Do you remember the time, Alia, when you were scared of Kalia? उसके बाद तुम्हें क्या क्या पा लिया? संघर्ष ने तुमको बॉलीवुड में एंट्री दिला दिया, हाईवे ने तुमको क्रिटिक्स का प्यार दिला दिया। ये इसने खुद लिखा है, मेरे से पढ़वा रही है।
नहीं मैंने लिखा है खुद।
आपने भी खुद लिखा है।
नहीं।
2 states ने तुमको स्टार बना दिया, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया के क्वेश्चन ने तुमको something 70 that what I don't know that. पर इसलिए तो है इतनी शानदार आलिया।
It's cute. So I share that with you now.
बट ये सेम आदमी ने 2 भेजे हैं।
नहीं।
Because उसने वो होता है ना वो उसके ऊपर ऑटो करेक्ट के ऊपर वो जब when you don't write a proper name that right line that comes it's still here.
Like so there are some drawings and you know like it's damn cute. It's a cat here because I love cats. Oh, I heard somebody say oh. Okay, now you all can come and read my dress later maybe, but
Okay, the fashion segment is over. Now we'll move on to other things. So you lost your chance to ask me. I'm joking. Go for it. Whoever that was, go for it.
Yeah.
Oh, you have. Oh. A big round of applause for this very well doing Delhi. तुझे टीचर ने अलाउ किया यहाँ पे बिकॉज स्टूडेंट ने तो तुझे चूज नहीं किया होगा। तू सबसे बेस्ट बिहेव्ड फ्रंट रो वाला स्टूडेंट होगा, नहीं है?
No, Krishna.
Tell me, is he? Do you all know this guy? Do you all think he's a really nice guy? Do you want to know?
She said no. She said no. Krishna said no.
इसकी गर्लफ्रेंड होगी। What's his name? We love Krishna. Everybody loudly. We love Krishna. Okay, Krishna, now you can ask whatever you want. Whatever you want.
I wanted to ask you that when you were like back 9-10 years back, when you were in Mithi Bhai.
You're so sweet. You're only saying 10 years. I love you. Yeah. I was 24 10 years back, so probably a little before that.
Okay, 15-20 years back.
Okay, calm down.
When you were in Mithi Bhai, the festival Kshitij was not there.
Yes.
So now that you know it's a big festival,
Yes.
and do you think that if it was there in your time, it would have helped you in any way, or do you wish that?
Do you think he needed any help?
No.
Do you know हमारी फिल्म के अंदर देखो बॉस क्षितिज अभी है तब नहीं था बट मिठी भाई तब भी था मिठी भाई अब भी है मिठी भाई कल भी रहेगा और मैं यहाँ आते रहूंगा तू बोलेगा 10 साल पहले फिर तू बोलेगा 20 साल पहले फिर तू बोलेगा 30 साल पहले फिर तू बोलेगा अरे कौन है आप अंकल आप क्यों आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे मैं फिर भी यहाँ पे आऊंगा बिकॉज आई लव दिस प्लेस एंड आई लव दिस फेस्टिवल
don't sign us off.
So first of all, congratulations. Song is very fabulous.
Thank
My
you.
question to you is Alia Bhatt, जब आपने ये song मतलब करने के टाइम पे rehearsal के टाइम पे matching Shahid step is not that easy. इतने fabulous तरीके से नाचे तो आपने अपनी तैयारी कैसे की? How was your rehearsal?
मैं रो रही थी जैसे मैंने last time भी कहा था. Honestly, I really don't feel like I can match up to him, and I'm saying that with great honesty. I don't make that face, Shahid. I believe it.
No, I thought of a really nice story which I wanted to praise you about, but now I'll let it be.
Anyway, basically and the idea is not to match up to him. The idea is to really just have fun with him, because when he dances with joy, and he tells you, Alia, don't concentrate on the step. Think about the mood. You're focusing too much on the step. When he does it, you don't want to look, oh, how technical it is. Of course, it's technically beautiful, but his overall body language is so vibrant and so electrifying that it just kind of translates on screen. You just feel like, oh yeah, Shahid's dancing. No, mujhe bhi naachna hai. No, mujhe bhi naachna hai. You get that vibe. So you want people to dance with you when you watch them. And I think that's what I've learned from Shahid. I don't think I can match up
No,
to
but
him.
there was a really
but I
cute-
want to always dance with him.
There's a really cute thing that Alia did when we were doing this song Shandar. There was a major wardrobe issue that was going on, and we were already on set, and there was something, because she had not seen, there was one main step, you know, where she's coming ahead like this, and that is, she has to like squat and do it and all that. So we realized that the outfit that she had decided was something like this, it was like a dress or something, and they were like, you know, we can't do that step in the dress. So she actually went back to her van, took one, you know, opened her bag full of all her clothes, took out a pair of shorts, came back and said, you know, if I wear these shorts, is it okay? Because then we can shoot today and we don't have to wait. So she's a very, very professional girl, and I thought that was really, really cool. It's true. You did do that.
कि अब तक की कौन सी बेस्ट शाम शानदार है अच्छे
मैं अगर मैच भी देखने जाऊंगा तो क्वेश्चन वो यू नो मीरा वाली बॉल जो है उसके बारे में आप कुछ हाउ डू यू पुल दिस थिंग अराउंड लाइक दिस इट्स वेल डन हाँ कौन सी शाम शानदार
जैसे मीरा के साथ अब तक आपकी कौन सी शाम शानदार है ये प्लीज कुड यू टेल अस
हर शाम शानदार रही है मैडम
लेट मी जस्ट से मीरा को शाम शानदार बहुत पसंद है शी कॉल्ड मी पर्सनली एंड टोल्ड मी बेब आई लव दिस सॉन्ग सो just to answer that Meera loves Sham Shandar.
ये माइक पीछे भी भेज दो यार वहाँ बहुत सारे लोग हैं I want some questions from people in the back
Yeah,
because I was always in the back in Medibai College somewhere in the back row
fifth last some hand is gone up white t-shirt there you are
that person in the last row with his hand up
white t-shirt yeah
yes bro yeah give him a mic
scream oh can I come there
हमें सुनाई दे रहा है बोलो because if you can answer this question means we can hear you do you have a question you want to show bro sit down I'm not trusting this last bencher I want to show you something why it is very scary guys it's a family film Shandar and as Shandar if that's something that you want to show is you are feeling a little scared
It's in my phone.
what oh sorry I thought you said something else
No.
I don't know. I don't want to say it. He said it's in my something. It's in your phone.
Yeah.
फोटो खींच के रखी तूने?
No.
तो क्या है?
some collage or something no
Yeah.
you want to show
Yeah.
but you're so far away how do you come from there
Okay, let's do one thing. Read out the first message that's on your phone. How about that? Then you can come. हाँ? जो बाजू में चेक करना
but Shahid he can yeah who's sitting next to
बाजू
you
वाला
just
check.
check
Let the person next to you read the first 3 messages on your phone.
Yeah.
How about that?
WhatsApp not text message
Intrusion on privacy. You will know what it feels like to be an actor. Come on.
you see you're cheating
उसके बाजू में कौन है? भैया आपको अंग्रेजी पढ़ना आता है? इतना टाइम लगा रहे हैं भैया.
he's not reading अच्छा read
I'm in college. Practice चालू है. Why? मैं आऊँ के नहीं college.
बस उसके आगे जवाब नहीं दिया इसने.
नहीं.
मतलब गर्लफ्रेंड है. छोड़ यार आलिया भट्ट मिल रही है मैं कहूँ अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से मिलूंगा. हाँ you wanna come now here? If you can make your way here, by the time you reach, we'll answer 3 more questions. You can start your journey.
Both of you have done many films till date.
Yes. No, she's done lesser films than me. यार मेरे को 12 साल हो गए. थोड़ा रिस्पेक्ट दे दे मेरे
Yeah, मैंने I not done that many films.
she's done better films than me, but I've done more films than her.
That's not true. But anyway.
Let's
Both of you
let's
are-
not go there. Sorry. Yeah.
Both of you are a good actor. So
We are both a good actor. तू डिवाइस है अरे इसको कंट्रोल में रखो यार हमारा रेपुटेशन हाँ बोलो मैं सुन रहा हूँ
so how are you feeling after meeting me?
तो अपने आप को कपिल शर्मा समझते हैं बिल्कुल सवाल तो पूछ मैं 3 बार जा चुका हूँ शो पर बेटे सवाल पुराना है
Original question.
हाँ.
Can I take a selfie with you?
He should
Yes.
if you can shout louder than them you come
Shine, he has a mic.
and he's still not as loud as them मेरे साथ चाहिए आलिया के साथ चाहिए
No, we'll all take a selfie after this. Then we take one big selfie. Selfie and I will go up.
Hello.
Hello.
Here.
How are you?
What is a Shandar date for you? Because we have all crazy fans
Yeah.
of yours, so उनको भी जानना है.
A Shandar date for me honestly is I'm not into this whole candlelight and going out and dressing up. मेरे को पजामा में घर बैठना है, अपना favorite TV show देखना है, Game of Thrones, Friends. I want to eat my favorite cheat food, whether it's like pizza, whether it's like something. अभी मैं vegetarian बन गई हूँ, so it's my cheat food has become a little bit less chaat, samosa, वो सब खाना. I want to be in the comfort of my home with my partner and just be myself and not go out and dress up. That my idea of Shandar and ideal date would be that.
हाँ मतलब एक दूसरे के ऊपर पिज्जा फेंक रहे चाट फेंक रहे
So nice this feels.
शाहिद के अलावा
What the?
शाहिद के अलावा शानदार डेट पे आप इंडस्ट्री में किसके साथ जाना चाहेंगे?
मेरे को क्यों हटा दे यार
Sir, you already committed ना?
अरे भैया everybody is committed in some way or the other मतलब hypothetically तो मेरे को alive लेने दो अच्छा ठीक है बोलो कोई और किसी और का नाम आलिया ले मुझे
मैं कैसे किसी और का नाम ले? Who should I go on date with? You guys tell me. You have
सब अपना नाम ले रहे हैं
industry. Say names. I want some. I'll tell you something.
You know I am one of you and you are taking other names and not my name I'm very hurt
I tell you, मैं शानदार डेट पे शाहिद और मिठी भाई के सारे स्टूडेंट के साथ जाऊंगी. This is my शानदार डेट पे. I'm having a very nice day. Thank you guys. Shahid.
So do you think our society is becoming really strict towards creativity?
You got your answer from the audience. Audience is king, so I think we should go with another question, please.
No, I just want to say this. I just want to say this that it's very important to be able to accept different point of views. If we get very restrictive in life about what can and can't be done, then it becomes a very you're creating situations for frustration. You're creating situations where people are going to feel suppressed. And yes, sometimes as a creative person, you do feel like there is so much pressure. Like even when we come out to an event or anywhere, there's this feeling of having the need to be overtly careful all the time. Because people are just waiting to find an excuse to go out there and say, hey, see what he did. The fact is that we're all human and we should all be a little more accepting of creativity. And I feel like let the people decide what they feel is good and what they isn't. Because we are here for the audience. I mean, when we do a bad film, they turn around and say, listen, we didn't like it, and that's very clear. And similarly, when they like, so I think people should be allowed to decide, and things should not be so dominant. It feels a bit oppressive sometimes. Yes.
Yeah.
I have a question for Alia. Like, how do you feel to be the youngest established actor in Bollywood?
Actor. Yeah, but he's not actually an actor.
Yeah,
I'm from Mumbai.
Yeah. Isn't Darshil younger than me? Darshil is quite established, right? No? Okay.
It's not that established. So.
It's a compliment, Alia. You can say thank you.
I know, but I'll be modest. Honestly, what really feels good is to come here and to get this love from you guys, because when I do my films, I do it for y'all. I want your appreciation, I want your love, and I just want you to never be disappointed by me. So it feels really great, honestly, to be standing here and just witnessing this. Just looking at you guys, smiling, clapping, screaming, cheering to my song. That's the biggest high anybody can ever feel, and I don't think I've ever stopped feeling grateful.
हाँ, but तो मेरे भी तो सवाल का जवाब मैं जवाब दूँगा definitely. What do you think? Do you think it's good?
No, I don't think it's good.
Why do you not think it's good?
Because जिनको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा वो basically like नहीं.
Because it spreads negativity,
Yeah.
right? And I think there's too much of that online. I feel like people are just like removing their frustration on random people. It's like, you know, when you're going on the road and some random dog starts running after you, like, what do I do? You're just like, भाई मैंने तेरा क्या बिगाड़ा है? तू वहाँ बैठे रहे, मैं चल रहा था. So people are just waiting कि मैं किसके ऊपर jump मारूँ, you know, online, and that's not nice. I think as a society we should not, because you know it gives you the advantage of being, you know, nobody knows who you are, you can't be found, you can't be tracked, nobody will take that pain to do that, and so you're saying things which are negative. I think if you don't like something, you don't need to comment about it. And if it's something which is a national issue, then of course people should comment about it. But I don't think it's good to put any kind of negativity out there, and I think sometimes that happens a lot in online, so I don't think it's a cool idea. You don't like something, you can just move on. Why do you have to say, I don't like you? You know, that's not cool.
कॉलेज में होते हैं उनका टीचर्स पे क्रश होता है. जब आप इस कॉलेज में थे तो कोई टीचर थी जिन्हें
क्या होता है? टीचर पे क्रश होने के लिए क्लास वाइज अटेंड करनी पड़ती है.
अच्छा, तो आपका कॉलेज में क्लास के बाहर क्रश होता था?
नहीं, क्लास में भी लड़कियां अच्छी लगती थी मुझे. I haven't crushed on any teacher in Mithibai College. Because by then I'd grown up enough to crush on people same age. You know, when you're younger, you feel no response is going to happen, so you crush on anybody. I had reached that age where a little response used to happen. Hi, sometimes a smile used to come. So.
Kshatrish is the Legion of Legends.
Hey, you're the one who asked me for a photo before I stood up.
Yeah, I did.
So you can come later, I'll give you one.
Thank you. The theme over here is the Legion of Legends. So the question is to both of you all: who has inspired you the most, and who is your legend?
Who's your legend, Alia?
Both of you all.
Stressful question, यार. Time लगेगा अभी सोचने.
Chal, let's both walk and think then.
Okay, I'll walk this way. Daddy किसी ने बोला.
So, Alia, come on. Do you want 4 options? I can give you 4 options.
Give.
Papa,
हाँ.
Mama, Karan Johar, and me. Choose. Come on.
You give
It's
me a
okay,
very
you don't have to
tough
say me.
option. You give me a very tough option.
No, I'm going to lose, so why should I?
I don't believe in choosing in the people that matter most in my life.
It's a legion of legends, so you can name a few. Come on.
So the legends that he's just named: Papa, Mama, Karan Johar, Shahid Kapoor, Mahesh Bhatt, Soni Bhatt, Shahid Kapoor, Karan Johar. अभी आपकी बारी सर.
Yes, people who inspire me. I honestly draw inspiration from anything and everything. I think inspiration can come in many different ways, and it doesn't have to be attributed only to people who are essentially the roots of your life. I mean, my family and the people that I work with, they are my roots. You know, they keep me grounded, they keep me real. But inspiration can come in many ways. It's inspiring to be here. I would like to say that at this moment I feel inspired, and I feel the need to satisfy what it is that you all have given me, the amount of love that you've given me. I want to be able to give it back. I want to be able to do better work. So I think inspiration can come in many ways, and it can come from many people. But at this moment I feel inspired to have been a student of this college a few years back, and to be standing here on this stage and to be getting so much love makes me feel very inspired.
One question.
I want to sing the song Samjhava.
Samjhava, you want me to sing? No.
Oh, sing Samjhava. They love the song.
मैं तेनू समझा ना तेरे बिना लगूं बाजी We should call
There's
it a
one
question. One last question.
call it a Shan
One last
Shandar.
question.
I am so sorry.
One last question.
One last question.
Here, in the middle.
Ji.
Yeah. Vikas Bell's last film, Queen, won a lot of critical acclaim and national award for. Do you think you can aim for the national award with this film? The question is for Alia.
Honestly speaking, I want to aim for National Hearts Award and all. It should reach the people's hearts. Forget critical acclaim. I want your emotional acclaim. I want you to be happy. I want you to come out of the film smiling. And I want you to say it was a Shantar experience. That's it.
Well, you guys know what?
Okay, now we have to-
We need one question from the back. We've still not been able to do that. That will be the last question for this evening. So, somebody from the back, anybody who has a legitimate question, please go for it.
Last row. You're the girl with the grey sweatshirt. Yeah.
Okay.
Give.
You know what she asked you, right? This is her thinking.
No, I'm thinking. Honestly, the most amazing memory with me and Shahid was there's a moment where you realize and you feel like, oh God, I feel I know this person from another time. I feel like we had a connection. And the point is that we both felt it at the same time. We were in Leeds, we were at a cafe, it was a day off, and we were talking for like hours, and we were like, listen, I've never connected with somebody so much, so soon. So that was the most Shandar memory of me and Shai.
Thank you everyone. One last thing, Alia.
Yes, we want to take a selfie with you, all of you. So, we don't have the stick over. You have a stick?
I'd like to tell you something. Is that okay? Like,
Yeah, you want to tell me
एक
something?
दिल की बात बोलनी है.
दिल की बात बोलनी है.
धक धक.
धक धक.
मेरे दिल की बात.
हाँ. बस. Only two thoughts.
ये बहुत शरीफ है यार. इसे बिगाड़ो कोई.
मैं ना धक 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 धक.
Alright guys, we're gonna do a selfie, everybody. We love you all.
One second. When is Shandar releasing? Okay, full marks.
Guys, please be seated also.
Sit down!
Can we have a Shidit cheer?